पाकिस्तानी और साउथ एशियन अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी की अहम शख्सियात और अहम तंजीमों की जानब से जैक्सन हाइट्स क्वीन से सिटी कौंसिल मेंबर का इलेक्शन लड़ने वाली पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन फातिमा बारियाब की मुकम्मल तायद व हमायत का ऐलान किया गया है। इस सिलसिले में डाइवर्सिटी प्लाजा जैक्सन हाइट्स पर फातिमा बारियाब की सपोर्ट में रैली और तकरीब का एहतमाम किया गया, जिसके एहतमाम में पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कम्युनिटी कायदीन अजमल चौधरी, सैफ नागरा, नदीम किरमानी, अदनान बुखारी और सईद हसन ने कलीदी किरदार अदा किया।
I have a big request for the Fatima. Vote everybody to Fatima. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We are here to support our daughter, Fatima Baryab, and I think we all, like Asian Americans, we have to work very hard to elect the people from our, region where we came from, and that's the only way to, go forward. Thank you very much for coming.
Each one of us are valuable. Without us, there's no red, there's no blue, no black or white. These colors matter when there is a progress. And progress is only possible with our vote, and that is the value you have. And we must cast it sensibly.
Her family has a lifelong investment in this community. They have done a lot for this city and for Jackson Heights. Now it's about time for the resident of Jackson Heights, the resident of this district, to give it back to this family. And
I came over here in this place to support Fatima. She is a South Indian #1. I will urge every one of you, put your differences on a side and support her, because she is the light for all South Asians. I will urge you guys, maybe there's, Pakistani, Indian, Bangladeshi or whatever it is, but she is South Asian.
कम्युनिटी कायदीन का कहना था कि फातिमा बारियाब ने एक खातून होते हुए सिटी कौंसिल का इलेक्शन लड़ने का जुर्रतमंदाना फैसला किया। अब पूरी कम्युनिटी को उनकी हर मुमकिन सपोर्ट करनी चाहिए और उनकी कामयाबी को यकीनी बनाना चाहिए।
We all talk about women empowerment. So what is women empowerment? We need to empower our daughters, we need to empower our girls, especially when we are minority in this country and we are a South Asian community. So Fatima took the courage and she did not decide to go for some corporate job. She's here to serve her people.
I have not seen a Pakistani young female come out and actually put herself out there in the community. But I will say, and I must applaud her father, who has done a tremendous job for supporting her throughout her campaign, for pushing her to actually be out there and make a stand and make a voice in this community, because we don't really see that.
What's up, Queens? Guys, show some energy. We have our South Asian Queen, first Muslim, first Pakistani running for Jackson Heights. This is Diversity Plaza. We need to show people that, New York City is diverse, and Fatima represent that. We've been working with her for past almost 1 year, and she's been great. She has learned a lot, and you know what? She is the best candidate to represent us and represent this Council District 25. So,
Let's Fatima. Guys, please vote for Fatima. Thank you very much.
American, she's Pakistani, or she's Muslim. Vote for her because she's the most qualified candidate and she has been there for you. You know her from the long time that she has been around, she's been helping the people and the community, and she will be there for you when you need her.
I want to ask everyone to vote for Fatima. She is the daughter of all the communities. Not only Pakistani, she is with Pakistan, she is with Bangladeshi community, and she is from Indian community. So vote for Nepali also.
We are proud of our daughter come to the United States politics. So I don't take it so long. Everybody, Pakistani, Kashmiri, Bangladeshi, everybody, American citizen, we have to vote and support our daughter Fatima. The community is here to support Fatima. Fatima, I salute you for your courage to come out and represent the community. Our job is just started. I request everyone on June 22nd, come out and vote for her. Not only you, call your friends, call your family, call your everybody you know, doesn't matter Pakistani or anybody you know in the area who is eligible to vote for her and make sure she succeeds. Thank you very much.
I am very happy to be on this podium to speak for Fatima Baryab. We, the Pakistani community, have been looking forward to get involved the youngsters of our heritage. Now it is our time that Fatima Baryab is contesting for a position, for a political position in city of New York.
I'd like to introduce Fatima. Fatima Baryab is a young intellectual running from City Council. She is 23 years old and she graduated from St. John's University right here. She was born and raised in this very city, New York City, and now she's running for City Council to represent the immigrant and this council community. She is the co-founder of this very own plaza, and the very plaza we are standing on, Diversity Plaza, is the one that she also co-founded alongside her nonprofit, Suhi New York, which helped create thousands of events right here. It's very important that our communities that have historically been marginalized and that have not had a place in politics be involved right now. For far too long, our voice has been stripped away and we've been told that there's no place for us right here. Well, I say this year we change that right now. We will not tolerate any more incompetent people who are speaking for our community. Now we will have people from our own community speaking from our community. I urge everyone to sign this right now because the days of politicians coming here and taking pictures with us are over.
And good luck to her. And I tell you, this girl is very talented. I knew she's going to be a future leader. So I have made it a point to come from Suffolk to support the, this young talent that I believe is the future of our community.
रैली में पाकिस्तानी के अलावा साउथ एशियन कम्युनिटी के दीगर कायदीन और अरकान भी बड़ी तादाद में शरीक हुए और उन सब ने फातिमा बारियाब की मुकम्मल सपोर्ट का ऐलान किया और कहा कि जैक्सन हाइट्स की नुमाइंदगी के लिए फातिमा बारियाब से बेहतर कोई उम्मीदवार नहीं.
So this one here know 10 people, we get the 10 people and bring them to the polls. So that's not saying, well, I'm going to vote for her. You got to look at the votes, right? Because that's what empowers our community.
We are ready for early vote. Where is Fatima? Fatima, she is our mother. Fatima is my daughter. Fatima, she is our sister. So we all for Fatima.
From this district, 2002, the first time, 2002 I ran for New York State, and also I ran for New York State Assemblyman 2004 from District 39, from Jackson Heights. And it's my experience that we have to get involved in mainstream politics. So without being involved in mainstream politics, we would be nowhere.
আপনারা যে যেখানে আছেন ফাতেমার বাড়িকে সাপোর্ট করবেন এই দোয়াই করি এই কামনাই করি আল্লাহ.
Jacob spoke about something about Fatima. She may not have any experience. She's not been in politics for very long, but one thing I've noticed about her, she's very kind-hearted. She's going to try her best to make our lives better.
I've been a member of this community for a long time. We are very diverse. We have so many different communities joined together and we all won for Jackson Heights. So I'd like to congratulate her. I know she's going to win, so God bless you. And
my niece Fatima Baryab, she's running for City Council. And we are a community, single community, and Jackson Heights, we are supporting each other. We have a friend from a different community, but as a matter of fact, when we are acting in favor of Jackson Heights community, we all are together.
That your support, your champion on behalf of your community is excessively required.
we are gathered here, the community is gathered here to support our daughter, Fatima. Fatima, I know for a long time when she was a small child, and I have seen her growing, and I admire her courage. And I can tell you, we have very important people in our community. One is Saif Nagra, and second one is Fatima.
फातिमा बारियाब की वालदा शाजिया कौसर का कहना था कि इलेक्शन लड़ने के फैसले के बाद फातिमा को कम्युनिटी से बहुत सपोर्ट मिली, जो कि बहुत हौसला अफजा है।
Thank you so much for coming here. Without your support, my daughter is nothing. So with your support, with your help, definitely she will be winning this election. And we need your support, and I will make sure while she will be in the office, she will be at your call 1 minute away, 24/7. If anybody have any problem, I will see. If Fatima is not working, I will tell her, please get out of the seat. Let anybody else come and serve the community. So please, I request you, I beg you, please vote for her. Let her, give her a chance to go to the city hall and make the difference for this district. Thank you so much.
23 साला फातिमा बारियाब अगर कामयाब होती हैं तो वो न्यूयॉर्क सिटी कौंसिल में पहुंचने वाली पहली खातून मुस्लिम मेंबर और पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन कौंसिल वुमेन होंगी। फातिमा बारियाब ने रैली से खिताब करते हुए मुंतजमीन और सपोर्टर्स का शुक्रिया अदा करते हुए कहा कि उनकी कामयाबी की सूरत में इमिग्रेंट्स कम्युनिटी के सिटी कौंसिल तक पहुंचने के रास्ते खुल जाएंगे।
And thank you, Saeed uncle, for doing this. It means so much to me that you're here and you're supporting me, and it's never too late. The election is around the corner, and we're pumped, right, guys? Yeah. And I'm really confident we can make this because this is our seat, nobody else's. This is gonna be a landslide victory for us as long as everybody goes out and vote. And we're gonna make it happen. Every single one of you is gonna call up your friends after this. Whoever lives in Jackson Heights, whoever lives on the border of Woodside, whoever lives on the border of East Elmhurst, or whoever lives in Elmhurst, you guys are gonna make it happen for me, and I know that. Because you guys have been here, you guys have come here to support me, and I know that you guys are going to keep it up throughout this month. We only have a short stretch, it's only 2 weeks left, and I know that we're going to make it happen, inshallah, by the grace of God. I mean, let me just say this, we live in the most diverse district in the world, and I am so blessed to see the various cultures and the various religions that are coming out to support me. Like, that is amazing. And it is truly showing you that my campaign is all about bridge building and interfaith work, and we're gonna make Jackson Heights and Elmhurst one of the best districts in Queens, and we're gonna change the face of this city. We're gonna make sure that representation happens, and I'm not gonna be just a token in City Hall. I'm actually gonna stand up for my community no matter what. Thank you so much.
आपको पता है कि फातिमा का नाम क्या है? फातिमा का नाम ही कामयाबी है, और इसने बहुत आगे जाना है इंशाअल्लाह। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वल आक़िबतुल मुत्तक़ीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन व आलिहि व सहबिहि अजमाइन। या अल्लाह फजल फरमा, अपना करम फरमा। या अल्लाह जितने हजरात आए इन सबको तौफीक अता फरमा कि ये 22 जून को बाहर निकलें और घर वालों को लेकर निकलें। या अल्लाह इन सबको तौफीक अता फरमा, ये फातिमा को वोट डालें और फातिमा कामयाब हो, इनको कामयाबी अता फरमा, और इनसे पूरी कम्युनिटी जो है ना यहाँ की, सबके लिए खिदमत की के लिए कबूल फरमा।
न्यूयॉर्क सिटी कौंसिल के प्राइमरी इलेक्शन 22 जून को होंगे और कभी इम्कान है कि इन प्राइमरी इलेक्शन में जीतने वाले ही नवंबर के जनरल इलेक्शन के फाते होंगे। मोहसिन जहीर, न्यूयॉर्क।